Welcome to Adulting 101 Basic Skincare. My name is Cassandra, and I am a librarian and licensed cosmetologist in the state of New Jersey. Did you know that the largest organ of the body is the skin? Your skin protects your body in a wide variety of ways, so it's crucial to take good care of it. The following video will go over skincare basics to help you learn how to take the best care of your skin possible. Determining your skin type is an important first step to take in creating a skincare routine. There are 5 skincare types: normal, oily, dry, combination, and sensitive, and these types can fluctuate and change throughout your life. Pause the video here to take a look at some of the markers for each skin type. A board-certified dermatologist or licensed esthetician can assist you in determining your skin type. Once you determine your skin type, creating a simple skincare routine is the next step to take. The American Academy of Dermatology recommends the following routine and order of application of skincare products. First, wash your face. Use a gentle cleanser and gently pat dry. Next, apply medication or treatment. If you are using medicine or other treatment on your skin, you should apply this right after cleansing. When applying any cream around your eyes, use your ring finger because it is the weakest finger and will not pull too hard on this delicate skin. And finally, apply moisturizer and/or sunscreen. According to Begoun, author of The Best Skin of Your Life Starts Here, how to choose a gentle cleanser is not an easy question to answer. What we can say for certain is that the best cleansers, regardless of your skin type, should never leave your face dry, greasy, or tight. Essentially, if you try a cleanser that makes your skin feel tight or dry, you will need a more emollient or moisturizing cleanser. The opposite is also true. If your cleanser leaves your face feeling unclean after washing, you will need a stronger cleanser. Experimenting with different products will help you to find the gentle cleanser that is right for you. Begoun explains that a moisturizer is supposed to improve skin softness, smoothness, and ability to hold on to the vital substances it needs to look and act younger. It is essential to find a product that adds antioxidants, skin repairing ingredients, and cell communicating ingredients to the skin so that it can repair itself, create healthy skin cells, make healthy collagen, and, to the extent possible, repair damaged elastin and improve skin's immune response. As long as a product in this category of moisturizers is well formulated and includes an array of those ingredients, the only thing you need to think about is texture. Look below to see what texture may work well for your skin type. Did you know that skin cancer is the most common cancer in the United States and worldwide, and 1 in 5 Americans will develop skin cancer by the age of 70? Applying a product containing SPF daily is vital to prevent skin damage that can cause these cancers to develop. According to the Skin Cancer Foundation, SPF stands for Sun Protection Factor. The number tells you how long the sun's UVB rays would take to redden your skin when using a particular sunscreen compared with the amount of time without sunscreen. So, if you use an SPF 15 product exactly as directed, applied generously and evenly, and reapplied after 2 hours or after sweating or swimming, it would take you 15 times longer to burn than if you weren't wearing sunscreen. Pause below to read about some factors to consider when choosing a sunscreen. The American Academy of Dermatology provides general skincare tips to keep your skin healthy and looking its best. Here are some general tips to consider while you begin your skincare journey. Apply sunscreen every day before you go outdoors. Like mentioned previously, applying a product containing SPF daily is vital to prevent skin damage that can cause problems such as skin cancer to occur. Don't smoke. Smoking speeds up how quickly your skin ages, and it can cause wounds to take longer to heal. Check your skin for skin cancer. The American Academy of Dermatology states that skin self-exams can help you find skin cancer early when it's highly treatable. If you notice a spot that differs from the others, or one that changes, itches, or bleeds, make an appointment to see a dermatologist. Resist the urge to scrub your skin clean. It may be tempting to scrub your skin if it is feeling particularly unclean, but try to resist. Scrubbing irritates the skin, which can worsen any conditions you may have, such as acne. Apply your cleanser in a circular motion using your fingertips to gently cleanse your skin. Reduce stress. Stress can worsen skin condition flares and cause many other detrimental health problems. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is vital for overall wellness. finally, see a board-certified dermatologist for skincare concerns. As the American Academy of Dermatology states, when it comes to our skin, dermatologists are the experts. These doctors diagnose and treat thousands of different skin diseases. They also have the expertise needed to help people safely rejuvenate and care for their skin. Thank you for watching Adulting 101 Basic Skincare. Be sure to check out more of our Adulting 101 series on our YouTube channel and find programs, resources, and more at theoceancountylibrary.org. We'll see you next time.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.